Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, has delivered a new batch of Su-34 fighter bombers to the Ministry of Defense, the company confirmed this week. The delivery includes aircraft that have passed a complete cycle of factory testing and were transferred to an operational airbase following successful flight evaluations. According to UAC, the Su-34 remains a cornerstone of Russia's frontline aviation, combining strike capabilities with extended range and multi-role flexibility. The aircraft is currently in active use across multiple operational theaters, including the ongoing war in Ukraine. The Su-34 forms the backbone of Russia's tactical strike aviation. This combat aircraft has proven itself highly effective in the current special military operation, demonstrating excellent maneuverability and combat performance, said Vladimir Artyakov, First Deputy General Director of the Rostec State Corporation. It is in high demand, and our factories are increasing output accordingly. The twin-seat Su-34 is designed to engage both ground and aerial targets, as well as heavily defended infrastructure at long distances. It is capable of operating in contested airspace under heavy electronic and fire countermeasures, day or night, and across various geographic conditions. The aircraft carries a mix of guided and unguided munitions and can also be configured for airborne reconnaissance missions. Vadim Badeka, head of UAC, emphasized the importance of the aircraft in meeting state defense procurement goals, stating, "One of our top priorities is producing effective combat platforms that are urgently needed in current operations. Our enterprises are strictly fulfilling government contracts." The Su-34, in particular, has more than doubled its production over the past 2 years. The Su-34, often nicknamed the Fullback in NATO reporting, is a heavily armed derivative of the Su-27 airframe. It is engineered to carry a wide array of ordnance while retaining the speed and agility of a fighter, offering Russia an all-weather, long-range precision strike platform in its expanding inventory.